Welcome to our new self-experiment. For the last 30 days, we've been testing the Lean Belly Breakthrough by Bruce Cron, an author and personal trainer. Nothing goes past us without testing it ourselves or on our friends and family. We take pride in our work as health coaches and test everything thoroughly. Since we are from Honolulu, I can tell you there is nothing more important for a hula dancer than a terrific belly and the right curves. Because of this, we have employed the help of Kiki for this experiment. Kiki was a hula dancer when she was younger and really wanted to get back into shape. She is 52 years old and was 23 pounds overweight when we started this review 1 month ago. What is the Lean Belly Breakthrough? Bruce Cron and Dr. Heinrich created this program specifically for men and women over 50. The core of the program is a formula by Heinrich that is supposed to work well against belly fat and its associated health issues such as diabetes, heart disease, and depression. This is accomplished without the help of diets, drugs, or other unnatural means. This is mandatory for a program before you should even look at it. The main focus of this formula is a healthy approach, which is why we decided to write our Lean Belly Breakthrough reviews in the first place. We are picky. What is this approach we are speaking of? It is a 2-minute ritual that Dr. Heinrich demonstrated to Cron on his father-in-law after he had suffered a major heart attack. According to Cron, this resulted in a loss of 9 pounds of belly fat in 3 days and 30 pounds in 1 month. After testing the program, we can tell you that these results are quite exaggerated for marketing purposes, obviously. But the truth is that our friend Kiki did get decent results thanks to this program, which is great given how easy it is to apply. A list of good foods that help in getting rid of belly fat. No diet. Diets don't work. A list of bad foods that can trigger heart attacks. A list of desserts that are good if you have blood sugar problems. An informational overview of signs that your heart is at risk, always good to know. Dr. Heinrich's method to decrease excess fat from different parts of your body. An overview of nutrients from herbs, foods, and spices that affect those hormones responsible for storing fat. A detailed explanation of how to utilize your sleeping metabolism. An explanation on how to burn more fat in the same amount of time. Cron's effective 60-second belly shred workout program and video. Do this for 2 weeks and you'll be happy. An exact blueprint of what you must do to solve the cause of belly fat, all of its related health concerns. Tracking sheets to monitor your progress, useful. A list of foods that boost your libido. We did not test this one. The only thing you really need to know is that the program is decent. Though it claims to be miraculous. We fully understand that strong marketing is necessary to get people interested. And we do not judge a program based on its marketing but on the actual results. Credible and experienced. Sophia and I are health coaches ourselves, and we can tell that Bruce Cron is a very experienced as a personal trainer. He has been a fitness consultant for over 15 years and has worked with several celebrities. The program is filled with meal plans that we enjoyed. I can't say often enough that radical diets don't work, so it is also an excellent sign if a program doesn't include any. It works for everyone. Given our own experience, we were able to tell after studying the meal plans that the program is good for everyone. Even though the workout is designed for older people. Kiki, our test subject, is 52 years old, so she fits the program well. Sophia and I are in our late 20s and very fit, but we followed the program anyway in order to review it properly. Easy to follow. One of the reasons this program works is simply that it is easy to do. The meals are good and tasty, the workout is okay, and the follow-along videos are fine. Anyone can do this. It tackles the root of the problems. We have seen a lot of fitness and nutrition programs that only work for a while, or only for certain people. Most programs, and all diets, produce a yo-yo effect, so after some time you bounce right back to where you began. The Lean Belly Breakthrough is different in the sense that it is designed to achieve long-term results. It does this by attacking the root of the problem and introduces the correct exercise and meal plans. 60-day money-back guarantee. Sophia and I love guarantees nearly as much as hula. After all, there are a lot of bad programs out there. We take pride in our work and only recommend what we get results with. However, you can still get your money back if you want. 60 days is a very generous refund period, so generous in fact that it speaks for how confident Kron is about his program. You need discipline and consistency to get the results you want. But let me tell you, the reason why so many people fail for so many years is that they are looking for a way to get results without doing any work. Listen, there are no miracle herbs or extracts you can take to achieve your goal automatically. The reason why we got results is that when we do these programs ourselves, we do them. Period. No replacement for healthcare. The Lean Belly Breakthrough is good for fitness and healthy eating. These are foundational things for your health, but please never think of it as a replacement for proper healthcare. A doctor can help you if you eat junk food all day, and the Lean Belly Breakthrough can help you if you never see a doctor. You need both the foundation and healthcare to be in good shape and safe. It's a digital program. In our modern times, it has become normal that many books, videos, and entire courses are digital, but not everyone likes it. Sophia, Kiki, and I think that it does not matter at all because you are here to get results, not a particular format. Right? Our results. Kiki, the aged hula master, was 23 pounds overweight when we started 1 month ago. We dragged her into this program because we wanted to see her perform again. What can I say? We are happy Hawaiians. Oh, and no, the girl on the right is not her, that is our goal. Every day, we only ate what the meal plans of the Lean Belly Breakthrough Guide told us to eat. We did not cut any corners. After breakfast, we did the 1-minute power workout, and we repeated it after lunch. You can do more if you want. The more you do, the more fat you'll burn. Sophia and I may have accompanied Kiki on her journey, but we are fit and slim and can only judge the food. Healthy eating is one of our passions, and we like the meal plan in this program. This is how it should be done. Healthy food, good nutrition, and delicious recipes are the key to a great figure. Most people don't know how great healthy food can be if you use great recipes. Finally, after 30 days, Kiki had lost 11 pounds of fat. Well, not quite what the program promises, but we knew it was an exaggeration, anyway. Still, 11 pounds is a healthy number. She is still 12 pounds overweight, but it is a decent result and has motivated her so much that she wants to keep going. If you are overweight, following this program definitely introduces the kind of changes that can help you lose some of your fat. Please do not believe that any system could make your fat go away with simple tricks or that you could lose 1 pound per day. That is neither realistic nor healthy. It should be clear that such promises are for marketing only, but that does not stop a program from helping. If it makes you change your eating habits and introduces some exercise into your life, you can use this program to start and then graduate to more advanced exercise as you gain strength. You can get the program at a lower price if you click on link below in description for a discount 25% cheaper.